Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, I recommend it to open EDIFIER CONNECT application. And of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. In the application you need to check for updates. I haven't them because I have the last software version. But if you have, just update it and check, it can fix your problem. If it didn't or you haven't new update, I recommend it to perform factory reset. To perform a factory reset we have two options. We can also use the application. Right here you just go to the settings, then factory settings at the right side and confirm. But also we can put these earbuds to the charging case, and then right here inside of it we have connection button. You need to press 3 times at this button. 1, 2, 3. And after that we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return here. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So you don't need to use connection button, you just tap on them at the device list. And we have connection, so now you need to check it. The last option is to put your earbuds to the charging case, close the case and fully charge them. Then check after that if the battery level are the same. Amazing. If it doesn't, I recommend it to contact customer service. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.